Hey guys, welcome back to Here We Mow again. I'm Jeff. So summer's here and my lawn is showing signs of stress. What are we going to do about that? Well, that's what we're going to talk about today. I've applied my humic and fulvic and sea kelp, but it's still showing signs of some burnout, and it shows that I need to do a little something more. So in the summer, I generally don't like to apply a lot of fertilizer. I put my sea kelp and humic acid and fulvic down monthly, and that seems to help, but I usually need a little bit of a boost. So this is what I've decided to use this year. The Yard Mastery Stress Blend product, which has a little nitrogen, but the primary ingredient here is potash, or potassium, as other people may call it. Let's take a look at the ingredients.
Okay, so what exactly is in this bag? Well, there's a really great mix of macro and micronutrients along with Bionite. Remember that macronutrients are used in high amounts in our lawn, and they're typically made up of NPK, sulfur, calcium, and magnesium. Nitrogen helps the grass grow strong and also helps with the green color, and Stress Blend has 7% nitrogen, all of which is slow release. Potassium, or K, helps with growth and with retaining water, and also helps the plant to fight off diseases and insects, as well as overall plant health. Stress Blend has 20% potassium. By the way, in case you've ever wondered why the symbol for potassium is K, it comes from the Latin word kalium, which of course starts with a K. So that's just an interesting tidbit in case you were wondering. Magnesium helps make the grass nice and green. Stress Blend has 2% magnesium. Micronutrients are used less by the lawn, but they're still very important to the overall health. This fertilizer has some important micros, which include 3% iron, and that helps your lawn to have that nice blue-green color, manganese, zinc, boron, copper, and molybdenum. Let's not forget the Bionite, which is similar to Milorganite, and it's a biosolid that's sourced from Florida. So the Bionite is full of sunny goodness. The recommended application rate is 3 pounds per thousand, and it should be watered in after application. The spreader settings are included on the bag, which is very convenient. I ordered the Stress Blend from Yard Mastery, and the ordering process was very easy, and the package arrived in just a few short days. I would like to mention that I did pay for the fertilizer, and this video isn't sponsored.
All right, so I think the first thing we need to do is mow the lawn. Let's get moving on that. All right, let's go ahead and get it applied. One thing I can notice right away is that these prills are really flying. Must be because they have a little weight to them. They're really going far. So that's nice. Get some nice coverage here. Okay, so this is a problem area I'm hoping that the Stress Blend will help correct. I have this problem in this area every year, and I think it's just poor soil here. I think there's just very thin topsoil and a lot of sand down below, so it just burns out despite my best efforts. So this year I'm going to try the Stress Blend, and I'm also going to put a fresh layer of topsoil on here, probably 2 inches, in hopes that that will give a little better environment for the grass to survive in all summer. But let's see what the Stress Blend does. I'd be interested to see the after shots of this. Well, we're all done putting the Stress Blend down. Now all I have to do is water. All right, let's get our stuff put away and go ahead and water. Well, thanks a lot for joining me for another episode of Here We Mow Again. If you want the product that I use, the Stress Blend, I did include a link down below. I highly recommend this. It does have some great stuff in there. Also, if you want this handy dandy shirt, the link is down below. You know you want to be the Lawn Ranger. Please also thumbs up this video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. We look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Thanks so much.